Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend. Welcome everyone. Delicious Delights YouTube channel.
One of the best cooking around here. Delicious Delights. Come and have a bite. Subscribe.
Don't forget to share, like and comment. Delicious Delights YouTube channel.
Come along everyone.
Hi guys, Delicious Delights is here again with another juice video. So in this video we will be making some carrots with orange and ginger. This is a lovely blend guys, and I hope you try this recipe out. It's very easy, simple juice to make. Now remember, if it's your first time here on Delicious Delights, please subscribe to the channel, touch my post notification bell. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. Like this video, comment and share the video out. Thank you so much.
You know what DD make all of the good juice, them all of the good food, them blend up strong back. You been looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel? Well, share it up, cause this is the right one. Wanna wait for me I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscriber by millions. Mama, everything always clean and neat in a DD kitchen. Delicious Delights.
Full up your appetite.
Take it from yard straight to abroad. Everything sweet when a combo, yeah. Both yard style and international.
Share up the video, make we have fun, man.
DD Kitchen have the best chefs I ever known. Delicious Delights always have fun.
I'm going to go ahead and wash my carrots and my ginger and turmeric.
What's DD blend up the beverage them? Oh, them just different. Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend.
Share. One of the best cooking around here. Delicious Delights. Come and have a bite. Subscribe.
I'm going to go ahead and cut the carrot for the juice. As you can see, I finished peeling all the oranges and everything, so I'm just going to cut them like this.
Don't forget to share, like and comment. Delicious Delights YouTube channel.
Come along everyone.
You know what DD make all of the good juice, them all of the good food, them blend up strong back. You been looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel? Well, share it up, cause this is the right one. Wanna wait for me I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscriber by millions. Mama,
Guys, here I cut up the oranges. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be cutting the ginger, and yes, I'm adding turmeric to this blend as well. Powerful juice this is. Carrot, orange, ginger, turmeric. Very good for this weather. All right, especially those people who are always catching the flu. This is the juice for you to boost your immune system. All right, so let's get into cutting all these ginger and turmeric. And did you like the video? As yes, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that like button. Thank you so much.
strong back. You been looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel? Well, share it up, cause this is the right one. Wanna wait for me I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscriber by millions.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna start with the juicing. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the juicer.
Mama, everything always clean and neat in a DD kitchen. Delicious Delights.
Full up your appetite.
Take it from yard straight to abroad. Everything sweet when a combo, yeah. Both yard style and international.
Share up the video, make we have fun, man.
DD Kitchen have the best chefs I ever known. Delicious Delights always have fun. What's DD blend up the beverage them? Oh, them just different. Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend.
Share.
Okay guys, so the juice is finished juicing. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it out into my juice bottle over here. Look at the juice, guys. It looks refreshing, right? You should try this recipe out and come back and tell me how it comes out for you. All right, so let's go over here.
Share.
My little funnel.
Delicious Delights YouTube channel.
One of the best cooking around here. Delicious Delightes. Come and have a bite. Subscribe.
Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Delicious Delights YouTube channel.
Come along, everyone.
You know what DD make all of the good juice, them all of the good food, them
Blend up strong back.
You been looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel? Well, share it up, cause this is the right one. Wanna wait for me I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make
Hey guys, look at these juices.
By the millions.
Mama, everything always clean and neat in a DD kitchen.
Here we have all the juices, guys, so please try the recipe out and remember to be kind to yourself so you will know how to show kindness to others. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave me a comment and tell me what juice you would love to see Delicious Delights make next, or whatever dish you would like to see Delicious Delights make. Feel free to leave it in the comments section. Put God first in everything that you are doing, guys.
Mama, everything always clean and neat in a DD kitchen. Delicious Delights.
Full of the appetite.
Take it from yard straight to a yard.
So
Everything
try this
sweet
recipe.
when a combo yard. Both yard style and international.
Share up the video, make we have fun, man.
DD Kitchen have the best chefs I ever known. Delicious Delights always have fun. Watch DD blend up the beverage them. Oh, them just different. Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend.
Share.
Yourselves.